Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach, and I'm going to show you how I take two items from the Dollar Tree and make them into a really cute solar lighthouse. So I got one of these plastic vases from Dollar Tree that's tinted. I chose blue. I thought that'd be really cute. And I'm going to do a square lighthouse. And I'm going to do that just by taping off with painter's tape some stripes. I thought horizontal stripes would be best for this. But you could try to do like the one that winds around and around it. That would be cute too. But there are square lighthouses. I actually just saw one in Wisconsin. So kind of an inspiration for this as well. I go ahead and tape them off. I want my stripes to be big. So I doubled up the painter's tape in some areas. And then I want the rest of it to shine blue so the light will shine through it. For the stripes, I don't really want any like brush strokes or anything like that. So I'm using a stencil dauber from Dollar Tree and just some ivory acrylic paint. And I'm going all over, basically trying to block out all the blue and any light that's going to come through there. I found the square window solar lights at Dollar Tree, and I thought that would be perfect for the top of the lighthouse and really easy to do. It's going to be like upside down the vase. So it does have like a little lip on it that I think I will be able to put down into my landscaping to make sure that it stands up properly. Now for the solar light itself, it does have this little tab here on the bottom. But you can pop it off. There are these little plastic clips that you can pop it off and just get rid of the stake and the bottom of it. So let's see how those stripes turned out. I was pretty impressed, and I did want to, leave at least one part of it the original color. So of course that the whole lighthouse can light up just a little bit, not just the top. I thought that'd be really cute. So just cleaning up any bleeding that I may have had from my painter's tape, and we can start working on the top of it. It fits on there just perfectly. It's a little bit smaller, which is good. I noticed the little plastic like cube that's in there for the windows kind of falls out without a bottom. So I just went in and glued it in with some hot glue, let that set up. And then I'm just using some Gorilla Glue hot glue to glue it to the top. You could also use some E6000 if you were worried about that holding up outside. But this is how it turned out. It's really cute during the day and nice and large. And look how cute it is lit up at night. Only two items from the Dollar Tree.